What's up? Today I'm going to be showing you a 22 long rifle kit for a XD9. I've got it about 5 years. It's from Advantage Arms out of Coeur d'Alene, Idaho. Going to be doing an ammo test with all these different types of ammo. Going to have also a CCI video coming up. So I'm going to show you the kit, and I'm also going to show you the ammo real fast. So this is the standard XD9. You're gonna want to make sure that it's unloaded. And now that it's unloaded, you're gonna flip up your lever and simply slide on the barrel. Take a quick look at this slide and barrel real quick. It's made for the 9 and the 40. Got this in 2020. It has a aluminum slide and a steel insert. It retains the bolt hold open, on the last round, as well as a single ejector, and it also has the drop safe here. So it is safe to carry if you want to carry it, an appendix or something like that. Carries all the same safeties. It's a little bit worn on some of the rails. I've had it for a while and shot thousands of rounds through it. And with the specific ammo, it functions really well. A little bit of holster wear. Again, there's the company. It will fire without a magazine in it, which I like. The one complaint that I have is that you can notice I've drifted the sights all the way over to the left, and it still isn't quite centered for my eyes. But it's pretty close. Close enough that I can hit a target at 25 yards, a 4-inch target that you're going to be seeing in a second. So to assemble it, this is the barrel. It's a direct blowback. Flares out a little bit right here. It's a locking block. Feed ramp. Fixed ejector. Nice and clean right now. And it says that to oil it, in the manual it says that you're only going to put a drop on each side of the block there. And then drop in these rails here. Then we're going to go ahead and slide the barrel in. And then the spring. Comes with polymer mags that you see in front of me here. And the XD normally has metal mags with a metal magazine catch, so they are going to wear a little bit. Slide it on. There you go, the kit is installed. So to show you guys the ammo here, I'm going to just walk over each one of them real quick. We have a Gila Super Extra Hollow Point. It is a 38 grain at 1280 feet per second. Copper plated, decent sized hollow point, wax coated. We have the Federal Punch, which is 29 grain at 1070 out of a short barrel. And it looks like it's a flat point. You also notice that it uses the CCI Stinger case, which is a little bit longer, has a little bit more powder in it. We have the Federal Blue Box, 36 grain at 1260 feet per second. wax coated with the small hollow point. We have the Winchester power point with a large hollow point at 1280, 40 grains. We have the Winchester Wildcat, 40 grains at 1255 with a smaller hollow point. And then lastly, we have the Remington Thunderbolt, which is a 40 grain at 1255, but just a lead wax coated round nose. So let's get started. I have a 25-yard target down here. Let's see if I can find it for you guys. Over here. So I have a 25-yard target. I'm going to be shooting right here. Let's start out with the Aguila Super Extra. Just shoot one into the dirt here. Functioned and locked back. Next, I'm going to be shooting both of the Federals, 5 rounds of the punch and 5 rounds of the blue box. Here's the punch. Then we have the blue box. No lockback. But it did empty out the chamber. Next we have the Winchester Super X, 40 grains at 1280. Lock back. Next we have the Winchester Wildcat. Just shoot into the dirt here. Failure. Looks like it didn't feed the next round. Stovepipe. Nothing in the chamber. Again, another failure. And another failure. Not liking the Winchester Wildcat. Double feed, stovepipe. Another failure. Last one. No lockback. So it did not like that Winchester Wildcat at all. And lastly, we have the Remington Thunderbolt, lead round nose 40 grain at 1255. And I like those, ate those up. So the next video, I'm going to be going over a bunch of CCIs. We have mini mags, stingers, standard velocity, quiets, and also some shot shells. So stay tuned, guys, and click the next video if you like this one. Thank you.